Hey guys, it's Kevin here, and today I'm here to show you a cool little multifunction light that is perfect for a closet, under your kitchen counter, or anything. So this is the box it comes in. Kind of open it up here. So this is the light itself. It is battery powered, so you can plug it in right here. You can either leave it plugged in or just charge it up and use it when you need to. And then here is the power button. So one press will turn it on, and then two presses will turn it off. And then it also has a motion control here, so you can utilize that too if you want to put it like in a closet and it turns on when you go in. Then if you hold down the power button, you can see it gets dimmer and brighter, so you can kind of set the lighting how you want it. It's pretty cool. Like I said, it's very easy to use and then install. So in this little box here, we have the power cord, which charges it. And then you get these two little metal discs, which basically just has some adhesive so you can install it wherever you want. And then on the back here on the sides, this is the magnetic zone. So you basically just put them like that, stick it where you want, and then you are good to go. So that's basically it. It also has an SOS function, but I'm not really sure why you'd need that for a closet light. That's the SOS. So it kind of, I don't really know, like I said, why you would need that for this use, but it does have a good battery life. And let's go ahead and install it and let you guys see what it looks like in my kitchen. Okay, as you can see, it is installed. It took literally 2 seconds, was not hard at all. And where I've placed it, you can't even really see it, but the eye sees us. So if we walk over here, it will turn on, and kind of tilt this up. It's going to get really bad vision here until the camera focuses, but there's the light itself. It's tucked back in here, and let me turn it off there. So yeah, so there's the sensor right there, and then that's kind of what catches you when it goes on. So very easy to install. Does have a long battery life, so you don't have to charge it a ton. And then on the device itself, when you are charging it, it notifies you by having a red light turn to green. So that is it. Hopefully you felt this video was helpful, and until the next one, you guys take it easy. Later. You, my friend, are awesome, because you made it to the end of the video. Now, if you want to be a true legend in my eyes, please hit that subscribe button. And in the meantime, if you want to check out some other videos, I would appreciate it. Till the next review, you guys take it easy.